Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the comprehensive conclusive vocab guide by me, Anmol, in association with my tutorial. Today we're starting with a new letter E, basic words 50. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Eat, khana. I like to eat apples every day. Easy, asan. This math problem is easy to solve. I, aankh. My eyes are tired after working all day. Egg, anda. I eat 2 eggs every morning. End, ant. The movie will end at 10 p.m. Evening, sham. I like to take a walk in the evening. Earth, Prithvi. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Elephant, Hathi. The elephant is the largest land animal. Earn, Kamana. He earns a lot of money from his business. Empty, Khali. The bottle is empty. Even, sum. The numbers 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even numbers. Sam Sankhya, Visham Sankhya. Odd, even odd. Envelope, Lifafa. I put the letter in an envelope. Excuse, bahana. She made an excuse for being late. Enjoy, Anand Lena. I enjoy reading books in my free time. Expert, Visheshagya. She is an expert in digital marketing. Energy, Urja. She has a lot of energy and never gets tired. Example, Udaharan. This is an example of good teamwork. Edge, Kinara. The knife has a sharp edge. Everything, sab kuch. Everything will be fine in the end. Elda, Vridh, ya, bado. The elders in the village are respected. Every student in the class passed the exam. Enough, paryapt. There is enough food for everyone. Exciting, romanchak. The movie was so exciting that I couldn't take my eyes off it. Elastic, lachila. This band is made of elastic material. Expert, Visheshagya. He is an expert in artificial intelligence. Education, shiksha. Education is the key to a better future. Eagle, Garud. The eagle soared high in the sky. Equal, Saman. Both teams are equal in strength. Elbow, Kohni. She hurt her elbow while playing. Exercise, Vyayam. I do exercise every morning to stay fit. Event, Ghatna. The concert was the biggest event of the year. Effort, Prayas. She made a great effort to finish the project on time. Entrance, Pravesh. The entrance to the building is on the left. Engine, Injan. The train's engine was very powerful. Editor, Sampadak. The editor made several changes to the article. Ever, Kabhi. Have you ever been to Paris? Early, Jaldi. I wake up early every day. Easier, Asan. This task is easier than I thought. Elevation, Unnati. The elevation of the mountain is 2500 meters. Extra, Atirikt. She gave me an extra slice of pizza. Excellent, Utkrisht. Her performance in the play was excellent. Elderly, Vridh. And the elderly man sat quietly on the bench. Experiment, Prayog. The scientist conducted an experiment to test his theory. Entrance, Pravesh. The entrance to the building was locked. Escape, Bhagna. The prisoner tried to escape from the jail. Email. He received an important email this morning. Email ka full form hota hai electronic mail. Mail matlab dark. Electronic matlab ye vidyutiya dark. You can call email. Essential, Avashyak. It is essential to drink water for good health. East, Purv. The sun rises in the east. Essential, Avashyak. Water is essential for life. Eager, Utsuk. He was eager to start his new job. That's that for today. I will see you in the next one.